with that, I think we successfully got this P-trap, or this VO sanitary waste valve, as they call it, all replaced. Hang on a minute, I have water dripping from somewhere. Well, I guess this project isn't over.
Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do.
This could be a lot of fun to do. Because if that's a straight pipe, what I might end up having to do is pick up new pipe and replace this whole little section. Because I don't feel a nut up here. There should be a nut here. Hey, there should be two of them. Should be a spin on like this. Well, thinking what they did is they spun the pipe on and then glued it, which would make sense. But there should be a nut here at the bottom of the shower that holds that drain in place. Then you would screw the PVC pipe to that. I guess for right now we're gonna take this back out. The only way I can get that out is to cut it, I think. Got this pipe here, so I can put a new end to it. If I cut here, cut it back here. What I can say is this was not in my plans for today, to have to replumb that shower, that whole section. You know, it's just a short piece that's in there, but it's pain in the butt. So I guess let me find a saw and see if I can cut that and get that spun out of there, and we'll have to go buy some parts and pieces to put it back together. Alright, nice straight cut as usual. These now. Looks like they went straight to the pipe with the PVC and just spun it on. But the little tub drain is spinning, so this isn't. Yeah, maybe. That's a problem though. I guess I'm gonna have to go in and take the tub drain out. So I guess if all else fails, just break it off. I was trying to turn this because there was a nut on it. Not that you could ever get to the nut. So I ended up just turning the drain from the inside, wedging this up against the floor joist, and turning it from the inside. Luckily the metal just let go and it didn't hurt the shower stall at all. So let's get working on putting it back together. So I put some putty around the new drain, and sitting up inside where it belongs. So now I just gotta get the nut on. So getting this nut up in there should be fun. Maybe not as bad as I thought. Rubber gasket, paper gasket, and nut. Grab some channel locks. I would have snugged it up a little more. If I was home, I'd almost say I'd leave it. But because this is our fifth wheel, I'm thinking if I leave it, it's going to vibrate loose. Odds are, everything else does. Oh, that putty looks pretty good. See, it's all around it. Roll that right around and off of it. That looks pretty tight. I think I'll start with the female one that's got to go up in, and we can get a length. Alright, so first you just apply your cleaner. Apply your glue. Clean up any excess we've got. It takes about 15 minutes to set, and in 2 hours it'll be ready to go. I cut our other piece so we can put, or not put. Hell's bells, I almost bought a coupling. I guess I gotta go back and get one. That would slide in there, but that is the same diameter as the pipe. So I guess they need a coupling to put this onto. Just go back to Lowe's and grab a coupling. We'll be back. Alright, so we got our pipes made, and we need to put it up in here now. So it took all day. Most of that was trying to find the right parts to make this fit, because as I showed you before, that original piece I thought would go on there, which was the same piece that they took out, did not thread on. So I ended up getting just a rubber coupling with pipe clamps on each end, and I put that up around the drain, around the 1.5-inch pipe, and we are all back together. I think you can see it up in there. So everything's back together. Now it's just clean up and call it good.